All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I cannot wait to give you more updates on the Surface Go 3. This has actually been a great tablet, and I think this is probably one that tons of people could probably enjoy for a lot of reasons. It's very versatile. So for now, let's put on my Super Shields. So I got a matte Super Shields for this thing. Ironically enough, it didn't come with any wet wipes or anything. So I'm gonna clean this really good with my real good microfiber cloth. It didn't have any like the lint lifters or anything in here, so I thought that was pretty strange that it didn't. So it did come with a microfiber cloth and a little squeegee thing, but it's weird that it didn't have any kind of lint removers or wet wipes. So I have to rely on a really good microfiber cloth. And then here is the shield here. I'm just gonna peel it and just go all in like this. See if I could drop this down on a good one. I've done this a lot of times. And let me see if I can introduce you to my skills. And remember, it's got speakers along the edge of the top of the glass. So you don't want to cut those off. A moment of silence for Jay Will to try to drop this thing down. Holla at your man. There's a little bit of dirt under that spot right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some dirt under a couple of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my lint removal real quick. A little kit. I just wanted to get it lined up. A little bit of lint really doesn't, like a bubble or something, that don't really bother me too much, but okay, so I see lint right here, and I see lint right there, and possibly right there. So let me get a lint removal real quick. Trying to do this real time for you. So you want to try to get these the lint up out of here without introducing more lint. So you hit the spot of the lint. You might as well just hit all this up since you peeled it up, because you know there's a possibility that it could possibly get back on there. And then you want to drop, and the lint is gone, but there's a piece of lint right here. So I want to come up, make sure we get that joint, hit the glass and the screen protector. Man, I'm killing it with the lint today. Yeah, it's weird that they didn't give me any lint removal joints. Now you can't lift this too much, man, because if you do, it won't sit down and seat. You know what I mean? Like it won't stay down once you actually are trying to leave it on here. So now I'm gonna remove that. And again, for me, it don't have to be perfect for me. There was some lint somewhere over here. So we'll lift on top of here, and we'll get it like this. Sometimes you can just see the lint, man. It's just the dirt it's just there. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore you too much with this. I'm going to pop this off because I really want to get this thing going. Eventually, it'll heat up in the glass, so it'll be fine. So now let's peel off number 2. Let's see here. So you want to try to get it. Sometimes I've noticed that when they put these stickers on top of where the screen protector is, it's on there so tight, it creates a lift. And we'll also remember with screen protectors, when they bubble, give it a couple days. Give it a couple days. Don't just lift your screen protector up and even though this has a 3-pack, I mean, I probably won't change this. I just like to show you these on video because this is what I rock with. I rock with the Mac joints. It's pretty decent to install. Not my best. I think this is come down to the quality of the screen protector because, man, I did a good drop on this one, man. I dropped it down perfectly in the spot. And Super Shields is one that I use. I like eye cares, but I couldn't find eye cares. I don't like have any kind of sponsors for eye cares, but eye cares screen protectors are thicker, and they're really good. So on. And even matte screen protectors need to be wiped off every now and then. There it is, matte. Boom. Viewing angles and everything are good. This is really nice. Well, the camera flipped on. But this is it, man. I like having a matte screen protector on here, and I really like having not a whole bunch of oily fingerprints and stuff like that. So when you look at it like this, you can really see the difference. Camera's like, whoa, son, stop it. There it is, man. I got it installed. I'm rocking with matte. I'll probably do some maintenance afterwards, get a little on the edges right there. But there it is. Good drop. Speaker grills are open. The touch sensitivity is going to be good. I know it is because this is a real thin sheet of plastic on here, but I like the matte joints. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.